Lo wayesakuba ngumongameli weli uThabo Mbeki uqithiswa amazwi ovelwano kwiintsapho zentlekele yase-Enyobeni. Nangona uphando luqhuba ngabantu abane abajamelene netyala lobela amaxhoba ale ntlekele. Kutyhola baba imfonomfono, impahla nezihlangu. UMbeki uthi iziganeko zokumela nje kufuneka zinqandiwe.
We really do hope that the scientists will complete their work as soon as is possible with regard to the identification of the cause of that very, very unfortunate death, so that everything can then be done to deal with the consequences of what was very clearly, a very wrong thing to do, to put young people in a tavern. Our sincere condolences to the parents and the friends of the deceased.
Ukwagxininise ukubaluleka kwemfundo.
And we hope that your success will foster in you the desire and confidence to say, I want more and I can achieve more. Empowered both to help create a better world as well as attain personal progress. To the families, friends, and dignitaries who stood by our graduates and supported them in their studies, we congratulate you as well.
Baphantse bafikelela kumakhulu amabini abantu abathweswe izidanga kulo msitho. Abongile Yankees kwiindaba ze SABC eMonti.